I found a cross vine growing in my George Tabor azalea. It is very beautiful. Will it hurt my azaleas if I leave it? And this is Miss Elsie in Millington. That cross vine is a beautiful vine, as you can see growing there.
Yes, that is pretty.
Will grow like crazy.
Yes.
Right? Likes full sun, can grow in partial shade. Azaleas like partial shade, right? It can cover up those azaleas if you're not careful. So here's my question, Ms. Elsie. What do you want? Which one do you want?
Yeah.
Do you want the cross vine? Do you want the azaleas?
Right.
Right? Because there's going to be competition there eventually. Right? So you have to make a decision. It's a beautiful vine, but you have beautiful azaleas.
Let me ask this question. Do they both like acidic soils?
Cross vines can.
I know the
azaleas for sure. Cross vines, yes, can actually deal with it. Yes. And obviously from the picture, it looks good, so it's growing pretty well.
Yes,
Right.
yes,
it's growing pretty well. But that would be my only question.
Okay.
You know, Miss Elsie, you know, which one do you want? You can have. If you want both, that's fine. Right. It's your landscape. That's fine. But do know, very aggressive growers.
Yes.
Right. And it will take over. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.